go grab a rag. You can start scrubbing on that truck. Oh, I got a helper, guys. I got a helper. One up there, helper. The rag's in the thing right there. Whew. Hey, Lillian, you want to help? I might get some helpers here after all, guys. There you go. Now listen, don't get it all over you.
I kind of got in my shoe. That is okay, Mike.
Yeah. Doing a great job. Yeah, that stuff is really bad. You're definitely going to need a bath after this. So you'll probably need a bath after this. Oh, where are you going? Yeah. You want to get a rag and help? We're just need to scrub this stuff. See how it's all flat?
I'm getting a tire.
I would have to get all that. All stuff all over. I'm just glad you guys are helping.
This is good, Daddy.
It's okay, get a little wet.
Can I get this one?
Yeah, dip it in that. Try to get all this off. See how you see the difference? But you can do it back there. I won't spray it. And we're live, so you can say hi.
Oh, hi. Hi, guys.
Oh, you're going over there? Okay. No. Listen, Airly, come here, baby. You can't do that. I can get that. Come here. Gotta be sweet. Only. Okay. Don't do it. Alright? I'm not gonna start it. No. Child labor laws. Yeah, but look, you've got this whole... Hey, Lillian, come back over here. You've got this whole piece here. All of this. Okay? Once you guys just work on this whole piece over here. Look, I'm not going to spray you. And use this bucket. Rinse out this bucket a lot. Listen, don't do the tires or anything. That's all me. All you got to do is this piece, and if you want to do some over here. You know what I mean? Yeah, but...
Can I do the other side?
No, that's going to be next. I'm going to wash over there first, and I'll be at it. Woo, what a mess. This corn fly is just all over this truck. So this corn fly is all over this truck.
Oh my God,
Go.
Hello guys, it's me! We're washing the car!
You gotta do Nancy's side too, bro.
Look at me, I'm washing the car with this brush.
What now? You gotta do Nancy's side, remember? I know. Alright. Go over there. Good job. Thank you so much.
Look at me. I'm washing the car with this brush.
Alright. 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 Al appreciate it. I thought you're still in the truck trying to help you.
Making a YouTube video?
Yeah. I go live doing this trucking thing. It's called This Trucking Life. If you ever like look into it.
This trucking life?
Yeah, This Trucking Life.
The funny thing is, I'm a videographer, man.
Are you?
Yeah. This is my side business.
Is it? Nice.
So,
Yeah, I've only got like 400 and something subscribers. I just
This
recently
trucking
started.
life.
This Trucking Life.
This trucking life.
Yeah. I got like 400 and something subscribers.
I'll check you out, man.
I'll be looking for an editor eventually if I ever get any bigger. Because I tell
I'd
you
be
what,
happy to help you out, man.
I don't have time.
That's the thing. It does take time, and
Yeah.
like it takes years to get quick at it too.
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, my videos are just they're annoying after a while because it's like I don't even have to play editing anymore.
Yeah. So you own your own rig?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's my own everything. Yeah, I run for Amazon a lot too.
Okay.
Yeah, if it makes sense, I'll run for them. I got the Relay app.
You keep pretty busy doing that though, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they've got, you know, it's easy. It's really easy. But yeah, Amazon, Schneider, JD Hunt. I don't have my own trailer yet, so that's why I'm doing everybody else's. But if it makes sense, I'll keep doing it that way. You know, so far it's working out for me.
Yeah.
We're hoping that Daddy clean his
Yeah, and I
truck.
got some helpers, some child labor here.
Good. Well, here, I'll check out your YouTube channel, man.
Right on, man. Yeah,
I'll
hit
on
me
your
up on one of the
videos.
videos.
Well,
I got an
yeah.
email on my.
This trucking life, right?
This trucking
Okay,
life.
I'm gonna
yeah.
do that as soon as I get my video.
Right on, man.
I'll
Cool.
get it on my phone.
What's your name? What's your name on YouTube? What's your name? Austin. Austin, what about on YouTube?
I don't have my own personal channel right now because I get contracted to do stuff.
Yeah.
So,
Right on.
but it's openprojectmedia.com.
Open project.
Yeah.
Cool, dude. Y'all check that
I'll
out.
comment on your videos and I'll get in touch with you.
Right on, man. That's cool. Yeah. Awesome. Have a good night.
Dad, don't give me that one. Daddy, take that inside one.
I need more. Yeah, I'll get more.
Yeah, 'cause- yeah.
All right, cool, guys. The Amazon guy also does editing for YouTube. How cool. Open Project Media. But yeah, I've got some packages. One of those is a thing for my Harley, so the armrest, or, you know, the backrest for the back seat will go on. A trunk and everything, so it's gonna be great. Go on, a trunk and everything, so it's gonna be great. This fresh water, fresh soap. Little child labor going on. If you're just joining us, that is my janky Harbor Freight that I rigged up some quick connects on just because I wanted a longer hose basically and a different wand because the one that came with that wasn't the greatest, but for 79 bucks it wasn't a bad deal. See if anybody said anything. Darn, missed the guitar stuff. Buddy, TBT, you didn't miss much. Amateur? Yeah, me too, man. I've been playing, for less than a year? Dude, that's great, because that means you haven't learned any really bad habits yet. Me, I've learned awful bad habits. I'm like self-taught. I can play by ear, I can hear stuff and things, but... Chris Stapleton? Okay. Yeah, you just need to find some, find someone that knows what they're doing and they can show you some good stuff. Kind of give you an idea of a little bit of music theory, throw in there, but just keep working at it. It's like anything else. You get better the longer you work at it. I'm going to start bringing Roxanne. That's my red. I got a red Fender acoustic. It's acoustic electric, and I call it Roxanne because, you know, you don't got to put on the red light, Roxanne. But I'm going to start bringing it with me. But heck, I mean, power only, hell, I barely get any time, and you know what I mean? I'm always moving. Like, unless I do a live load, but heck, I get in and get out in 40 minutes. It's like You've got enough time to take a 30-minute break and do some paperwork. That's it. So, what's up, babies? Yeah. Let me. Thanks. TBT, I appreciate you hanging out with me today. Hanging out with us. We're washing number 1. Man. Look, get all that if you can. Can you get all that right there too? Yeah, you can. All right, Aaron. Here's your thing back. Yeah. We got to do this side first, then you can. Oh, no, that's okay. Completely normal. I didn't break anything. Child labor laws. Not in effect because they're my children. No, don't point it at people. See what Amazon brought us. Maybe, but not right now. We lost the lawnmower keys, that's why the grass is up. So instead of, we're not able to find the keys, period. Even the spare one we lost, so now we've got a key finder. But here's the ignition. It's supposed to come with keys. Yep, it does. That's for the mower, the 0 turn, because, you know, we can't keep track of anything. But yeah, these, they're color coded. You put them what you want to keep, and you press the button when you're trying to find it. How cool is that? Like, that's awesome. We needed that a long time ago. We also lost the 4-wheeler keys at one time. Easy, hey, don't ever point that at anybody. And then there's this right here. It's all right, Aaron. You got to do the whole other side. Back up. Yeah, put the rag up and go wash up, okay? Use soap and water. Just put it in the tub. And then there's this. I hope these fit. 1/8 is what, apparently what I need. I bought 1/4. Whoops. What up? You ready to mow the backyard?
I just finished mowing the hill.
Yeah, but now all you gotta do is just sit down.
Hi guys!
Well, you still gotta.
We didn't go.
They can see you. They can see. No, let them go see you.
You know, like
I'm gonna see if they can see you, okay?
Can you guys see me from here?
Yes, they can. They can see you.
We gotta go back
Go
and
look at
tell
it.
you how you did
Go look at it.
They run through it. No, wherever I go.
Hey, come on. Nobody wants to hear that on the internet.
Billy, stop. Billy, stop. Billy, stop. You're gonna miss that tripod. Come on now.
Yeah, he's already knocked over before.
Yeah.
All right.
Hello guys.
That concludes this live stream. I've got this to go on the Harley. See if it works. Thanks, my helpers.
Thanks, my
She needs money.
You got key finders?
Yeah, so we don't lose her no more. Yep, ice cream party tonight.
Money.
Thanks for hanging out with me, TBT.
Party, awesome party.
Right on, man. Right on. Get to practice.
Money.
All right, let me see how to shut that off.
Money.
You may be wondering what we're doing here.
We're about to find out. Oh no, they don't know that the top's open.
So we're inside a box, and there's another.
There it comes.
There's no glass at the other side here. At the top. Here it comes.
Soak my phone.